In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually make a recording. So go in and go to the Slides tab, and then when you look at Record Screen, you'll see the bottom there's a drop-down menu. We'll return to that later, but click the fat part or the top part of the button, and you'll see that you get Storyline disappears, and then you have a little window like this that you can drag around. Now on the bottom left, you'll see you can select different preset sizes. This one's you'll see a red bounding box that will fit there if you want to select the window. Or really you can drag it around and get it set till what's going to work for you. You can turn your microphone on or off depending on what you need. And when you're ready, just go ahead and click the record button. You'll get a little countdown. And then now you're recording. So what's going to happen is each time you click, it's going to make a new slide. So I wanted to show you just how this process works. So I'm not doing a full recording. I'm just showing you sort of the nuts and bolts of it. You go through, you set up your size. You have a saving step right here where it is going to save this. Remember that drop down that we just looked at? Below the button, you can come in. You can actually, I recommend that you go in and name it. In this example, I didn't happen to do it. But then you have that little bundle, that little drop down there that you can go through, and there's any number of different modes. And I have more videos that explain each of these modes and the different settings that you can output and why we do them. But then you go through and you click Insert, and what it's going to do now is it's going to actually go through and it's going to generate, depending on which options that you've picked, which mode that you want your recording to come out in. We did a view mode, so we're going to view the slide we started with, and then every time you click, it makes a new slide. So this one, you'll see how long it takes here just to generate 2 slides. But then what it's going to output is 2 slides, and they each have their own timelines. They each have different options that you can go through and edit and work with. And I have more videos to show you how to do that. But that's the basics. One last thing I wanted to show you here, that recording we did, when we click the small part of the button, you'll see now that we have this different recording. So I could actually pull that up, and we did one mode, we could try one of the other modes, or even a video. So that's the basics. You go through, you do your recording, and then when you find the different modes and different options that work for you, you pick where you want to put it, and you click Insert, and then Storyline goes ahead and generates either the video or those slides for you. It's very cool. You'll get lots of practice.